Hey guys, what if I tell you the stone has traveled more than 1600 kilometers to be with me? It came from a holy Ganga river in Rishikesh, and today it carries a painting, a memory, and a story very close to my heart. This is not just a stone, it is a part of my journey, and today I want to share it with you. Some years back, when I went to Rishikesh, I was walking near a Ganga river. The river was flowing with so much peace, and all around me were hundreds of stones, smooth, shiny, and beautiful. But this one stone caught my eyes. It was white, a little shiny, and I don't know why, I felt like it was calling me. So I picked it up and kept it with me. Since that day, it has been with me almost 3 to 4 years now. When I first picked it up, I just wanted to keep looking at it. There were so many stones, but this one felt special. Sometimes we cannot explain why, but our heart just feel connected. For years, it stayed with me silently, and somewhere in my mind, I felt one day I will paint on this stone. That day came when I was in my garden. I saw a small little kitten looking up at a little bird. The bird was creeping chee chee, and the kitten answered with a soft meow. It was such an innocent moment and pure moment, like two friends trying to talk in their own language. That small scene touched me deeply, and I thought, yes, this is the story I want to paint. So I took this stone and started painting a black and white cat looking up with wonder, and a little orange bird sitting above, surrounded by flowers and green grass. With every brushstroke, I was not only adding colors, I was adding emotion. I wanted to capture that innocence, that curiosity, that feeling of friendship which I saw in my garden. For me, this painting is not only about a cat and a bird, it is about a simple truth that friendship can happen anywhere between anyone. All it needs is love and an open heart. Stone has taught me that art can make even a small moment existing forever. The Ganga shaped the stone for years, and now my story has given it a new life. Today, this is not just a stone, it is a memory of Rishikesh, a piece of my journey, and a reminder that beauty lies in the small things, and love can be found in unexpected places. Maybe when you see it, you also remember a moment like of innocence, of friendship, or of love. Because in the end, art is not only what we see, it is what we feel. And this little stone carries a feeling that will stay with me forever. If my story made you smile, think, or feel even a little, please subscribe so we can create more memories, more painting, and more stories together. Your support isn't just encouragement, it's what keeps my heart creating. Thank you.